Tinted primer for eyelashes. Today I'm going to be trying some out. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening and applying the Sky High tinted primer and putting it on and giving you, I guess, my initial impressions of how it works for my lashes. So, all right, let's try this. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can read. I'm going to open it up. It is in the color Soft Black 810. I purchased it at Target. Opening it up. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to actually take it out of the container. You'll hear my dog's toes behind me on the floor. I'm going to pull my magnification mirror close. All right, and I'm going to be looking in it so I can see what. Okay, it's going on my lashes. It is black for sure. See, black. I notice as I'm putting it on, it's actually not as clumpy as mascara would be. It's a smoother application. The wand is a nice size. There's like little nubs on the spoolie to apply. So there you go. Primer, no primer. I'm gonna put some more in, putting some on my other eye. Oh, and as I was taking it out, I noticed it's very flexible, bendy, almost silicone-like. Interesting. Okay, here comes the other eye. I have blonde lashes. So I can really see where it is being applied. Bring my mirror closer. And I don't curl my lashes because I can't grab them with the curler. I'm going to play around with that some more. Maybe there's a different curler that would work for them. Hey, will you stop growling at things, please? Thank you. So here we go. She wants me to play with her. All right. Okay, so there's both eyes with kind of one coat. Let me put some more on. I'm gonna put some more on the first eye because it should be dry by now. And yes, I can see some people said you can wear it by itself. Yeah, I can see that. I might even try to do my bottom lashes. They're very sparse. I don't usually put mascara on them, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna give it a try. Let me see what I can do. Oh, they're so sparse. Let's see. Good thing I have some Q-tips near me. It's funny how you make funny mouth shapes when you are putting on mascara. I see with my bottom lashes, I have my mouth open. Must be like an instinctual something, connection between the eye and the mouth. I don't know. Okay, so again, can't really get my lash. Too sparse. Kind of have them, kind of, a little bit. All right, so there's the primer. I'm gonna show it to you. Up, down, sideways. And yeah, I could just wear that. But I'm going to open the Sky High mascara that someone recommended in my mascara video. This one is, where to put my glasses? Where'd they go? There they are, they're way far away from me. Okay, this one is in the color 800, Blackest black, and it is not waterproof. It is the one that is not waterproof, washable. Okay, so there is the Sky High Lash Sensational wand that I just opened up. And let's take it out of its container and take a peek at it. All right, I'm gonna put a coat on my primed lash. See how it looks. A little more clumpy than the primer, but it's not horrible. And it does make my lash look longer. Look at that. Wow. Where have you been all my life? Okay, let me put some on the other eye. Probably several coats would really bring out the length in the Sky High mascara on the lash. But I'm just gonna leave it at one. It's clumping on this eye. Clumping, clumping. I am going to take a Q-tip and try to get the clumps a bit off. Just very clumpy. But it's visible, so I have visible eyelashes, which is nice. All right, so I will probably go back into my description of this video later and give impressions after wearing it for the day. And, you know, maybe even how it washes off. I'm gonna put a little bit of color on my eyelids. I'm still testing out my Revolution palette of eyeshadow, which my initial impression is kind of cheapo, chalky, very powdery, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'm wearing a sort of an olive green shirt, and I wanna keep in the olive green family. So I'm gonna take some of this and put it on my upper lid, my brow bone area. Well, not quite the brow bone, upper lid, above the crease. Just for a little bit of color. And shaking it off my arm. You might see dust flying around. Then I'm going to, I'm gonna take some of the blue and put a little bit on my eye, just on the outside of my mobile lid. I'm just doing a little bit of color, just so I don't have completely flesh colored lids today. And I don't always wear shadow, but I feel like doing it today. So shake that off. I'm gonna take the yellow near my brow bone. There you go. Very chalky, very chalky. Oh, and I even see some powder on my lash. I haven't tried this wet yet, but I'm not very happy with it. I might just use it for art projects, make it into paint. I don't know. Try using my finger this time. Let's see, what do I want to do? A dot of something else in the middle. I'm just gonna do a dot of the bright green. Let's be crazy. Doesn't even want to go on my finger. There, a dot, dot, dot. And now I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna get a blending brush. I'm gonna blend it all. Not happy with it, not happy with it. Again, probably gonna try it with art projects and find a different colorful palette to actually use on my eyes. But the primer, I really like it a lot. It's my first time using it. I'm gonna try using it more often. Love the applicator, very silicone-like, flexible, went on smoothly on my lashes. Really happy with it. So I will let you know in the future how it's going, and I hope to see you in the future. Have a really good day. Bye-bye.